सभी को मेरा नमस्कार. I welcome you all in the class of the chapter Economic Reform since 1991. In the previous video, I have explained you the need of economic reforms and one of the policy that is liberalization introduced under economic reform since 1991. And in this video I am going to explain about the privatization. That was the second policy introduced under economic reform since 1991, and the other name of economic reforms is new economic policy. And in this video I am going to discuss about the policy measures towards the privatization. So let's begin with the privatization now. Privatization implies shedding of the ownership or management of a government owned enterprise. Government companies are converted into private companies in two ways. First is by withdrawal of the government from ownership and management of public sector companies, or by outright sale of public sector companies. We can say that privatization refers to any process that reduces the participation of the public sector or state in economic activities of a country. It implies a greater role of private capital and enterprise in the functioning of an economy. Privatization may result from either denationalization or disinvestment. Denationalization is transfer of cent% ownership of public sector undertaking to the private sector, and disinvestment is the sale of part of equity of public sector enterprise to the private enterprises. We can say that privatization of public sector enterprise, if it is done by selling off part of the equity of public sector enterprise to the private entrepreneurs, is known as the disinvestment. And the purpose of sale according to the government was mainly to improve financial discipline and facilitate modernization. It was also envisaged that private capital and managerial capabilities could be effectively utilized to improve the performance of public sector undertakings. There was entry given to the private sector industries into the exclusively reserved industries for the public sector. The government has also made attempt to improve the efficiency of public sector enterprises by giving them autonomy in taking managerial decisions. For instance, some PSUs, that were public sector undertakings, have been granted special status such as Maharatnas, Navratnas and Mini Ratnas. The government has adopted two methods of disinvestment. First was sale of minority shares in small lots. That is the policy of disinvestment, we can say. And second was the strategic sale of PSU, public sector undertaking. Let us discuss both the strategies in detail. Under minority sale method, the government equity was sold to the general public, financial institutions, mutual funds and the worker, and this method was used during 1991 to 1998. We can say that under minority sale method only a part of government equity was sold, but under strategic sale of public sector undertaking, the government sells major part of its stake to a private sector company. The ownership of public sector undertaking, that is PSU, transfers to private company, and from 1990 1999 to 2003, this method was used. It restored to strategic sale of number of companies. Modern Food India, Bharat Aluminium Company, that is Balco, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited, VSNL, Maruti Udyog Limited are example of strategic sale. After 2004, the government again restored mostly to the method of selling of shares. While selling shares, the government has retained more than 51% shareholding to keep the managerial control in its hand. This was all about the policy of privatization that was adopted under new economic policy or economic reforms since 1991. Thank you.